Hi, it's a C Sharp game tutorial. So let's go into the design view. Here we're in the design view. Now I'm going to need a picture box. So let's just set the dimension of that picture box to 305 by 172. Yes, 350 by 172. And change the back color to gray. Good. So I'm just going to copy this across now. I need 12 of those. So to complete your project, 12 of these, and the last one here will be white. So let's move that down a little bit. There we are. Okay, this last picture box here, I'm going to have to change the color to white. So let's come here and change that color. Just change that to white. Good. Okay, that's fine. So I'm using my form load. Double click on the form load. So I'm going to say picture box 1 dot back color equals gray. So copy that. Picture box 2, 3. So that'll be 2. And so on picture box 12, I will change the color to white. There. Okay. Well, just before I continue, I will now import all the images I intend to use into the resource folder. Okay, select image, add existing files. My existing files are within my folder right here. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. Those are the files I intend to use. Let's select it all. There. That's good. So now I have my pictures in place. Okay, I've already cut them into size using Photoshop. Okay, I'll go back to my form load and insert each images picture box 1 dot image equals properties dot resources dot which picture I intend to use. So I can just choose any of these. Okay, let's go for 6. There. So I will repeat the same thing for picture box 1, picture box 2, all the way and up to picture box 12. Okay, now I've now embedded all the images I intend to use. So what I'll do now is just to run the program and see before the coding begins. Okay guys, that's what you can see. So what will happen is I will now write a code. So when I click on this very image here, there'll be a movement, there'll be a shift. This very image will shift across and so on. So I'll go back to the code view and get that happening. All I've just done now is just the form load. Okay, so let me go back to the code view and get that sorted. So judging from the design, If I click on this particular picture box here, I will be able to move 4 and move 2 because I have 1, 2, 3. So I can move 2, I can move 4. So if I double click on that, then say, hey, finish up the codes. So for picture box 1, this is what's happening. So if you click on picture box 1, if picture box 2, the back color equals white, the following will happen. The images inside picture box 1 goes inside into picture box 2, so and so on. So I repeated the same process for all of the picture boxes. So this is for picture box 1 and that of picture box 2. Okay, 3. So what I'll do is I will actually copy this code. If you guys have any use for it, you can always send me a request, and I'll forward the code over to you. Okay, and this is how you create a shift game in C Sharp. All the images used belongs to me, created using Flash, and I actually have the tutorial of the image on YouTube already. Okay, so now copy the code, save it, and you guys can always send me an email and I'll forward the code over to you. So let's see how this game works anyway. So guys, this is my shift game. So you can see how it works, just like any other shift game. All the images, in fact the images used here is from one of my Flash tutorial that's already on YouTube. Okay guys, I will now upload the code like I said earlier on into my share drive, so you can always maybe work on it and find a way to improve on it. So this is how you develop a shift game within C Sharp. It's very easy, it's not that complicated. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and you have a nice day now. Bye.